So this is my CBA 2 Teacher Implementation Guide for EY 4076. For this guide, I aim to keep in line with the key skills outlined in the new Junior Star specifications, especially communication, working with others, and being creative. The aim for Class 1 was to firstly break down the brief of the Light Fantastic into its various sections, and then undertake the gathering and evaluation of relevant information through research and then the analysis of that research. This was done through the design tools of brainstorm sessions and the 5 whys method. This made students really think in depth about the solutions they were coming up with. Next, we move on to Class 2. The key of this class was to enhance students' communication and collaboration skills when engaging in the jigsaw activity. The jigsaw activity further enhanced the research capabilities and the knowledge of the students in the particular area of renewable and reusable materials. This class also relies heavily on the introduction of peer feedback and the quality of feedback that each student gives to each other during the jigsaw activity. During Class 3, we begin the stage of comparing concepts. This is done through a think, pair, share activity in which students will explain his or her concept to their peer, and then the student will individually research and connect that concept to a principle in the DCG syllabus. The key concepts that should come from this class are either orthographic projection or developments of plane surfaces. Again, prior knowledge needs to be utilised along with peer feedback. Class 4 is based around higher order taxonomy, where students will be able to formulate and design a question of their own that relates to their own Light Fantastic principle. The students will then complete this question and then complete a principle page. This enables students to summarise and simplify the key principles, skills and specific knowledge they need to complete a question in that topic. Also, during this principle page, self-assessment will be utilised. During Class 5, we move on to graphical presentation. This class is based around the concept of spoof assessment outlined by Petty. This involves the teacher providing the students with a selection of CBA 2 portfolios completed through various media. The students will then analyse and critique the medals and missions with regard to each portfolio, and then, using their own feedback from the CBA 1, select a media through which to complete their CBA 2 portfolio. The aim of Class 6 is to develop the students' sketching and model making skills. The process of prototyping and testing and the cyclical nature of these stages is a key learning outcome from this class. Learning from the last class, students will now know the most effective and efficient way to graphically present their CBA 2 and their evidence of learning. Finally, both peer and teacher formative assessment will be utilised in this class.